Hi, let's talk about the device manager. Sometimes you might have noticed while installing or plugging a USB device. In this case, I have plugged in a USB phone. So you might have noticed this kind of error like no driver found, Android no driver found, and then you want to troubleshoot this. So in order to troubleshoot this issue, you have to go to the device manager, which is located here. And in this device manager window, you can see all the devices, all the hardwares are been listed, such as Bluetooth. I have a Bluetooth attached to my system, and you can right click, and then you can see there are a lot of options, properties. You can even disable even the driver. You can update the driver, disable and uninstall, and details, a lot of details available. So each of the hardwares, each of the devices that is connected to your system will be listed here. Even the disk drive and the graphics card, display adapters, and then again the DVD, ROM. Then yes, we were talking about how to troubleshoot the USB. Where is it? Let me show you. Yeah, to troubleshoot something like this. If you encounter something like this error, in here it will show in this USB. It will show not in USB, in between this it will show the unknown devices, where you can right click the unknown devices, and then you can go to the properties, and or you will get an option to update the driver. So click update the driver to reinstall the device drivers properly. Let me plug in my phone, and if I can show you here, this other devices, Android. So scan for hardware devices if you can, then Android, update driver software. You can search automatically driver software from the internet, from the web, and or else you can manually browse through your computer hard drive.